Hey guys, and welcome back to the CreatorSoft YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be talking about stuff I'm working on, so let's get started. So the first project I want to talk about is called Ball in the Basket. Um, Very simple name, very generic, but you get the idea. It's a ball that goes into a basket. So what I want to show off here is, let's go to a sample scene here. Let's start off here. So you have a jump height and a movement meter here. So if you press, I believe it's A and D, and you hit space, the ball moves. So the game also resets when you hit the ground, or should I say when you go out of bounds. But let's try this one more time. It's super close. At the bottom here, or at our scene window, there's also like this little block I put here with this rotating swiper thing. If we press play, you will see that it starts rotating. We can just test it out again. Now, all of this is a work in progress, and any of this can change at any moment. So I just wanted to show it off, really. Let's set oh, we overshot that one. So as you can see, when you go out of bounds, it also reloads the current level that I had, which is the sample scene. Now let's try this scene out. Everything is in 3D, so this is a 3D game, but I am projecting it as a 2D game. I just thought it'd be fun that way. Whoa. That didn't work. One more time here. Oh, oh. And we are done. But it's pretty basic game. You have this. It's actually the best scene. You basically just have a ball, a platform, this star that you can collect, and just these other platforms that you can use as a construct levels with. Like a little construction set, just make prefabs and just quickly add them on. I am not a modeler. I don't create art. Everything that I'm showing off here, I pull off the internet. I'm just not a modeler. That's all. I'm just not into it, and I rather just use art that's already pre-built by someone else, and just put it in my game. And all I really have to do is just worry about the scripting or putting everything together and just bringing my idea to life. So, so yeah, there is a hoop here that moves. So, oh, but that's Ball in the Basket. It's pretty basic. It's a heavy work in progress. It is fun building it, I'm not gonna lie. I catch myself kind of playing it more than I do tweak it, but I have to stay focused at times. An interesting thing to note here is the jump height and the movement meters are basically just sliders. So go to our UI and put in a slider. It's basically just a slider. I removed a little handle here and just tinted the color to make it clear, and so on and so forth. And the ball, it's just a rigid body with a. It's basically just a rigid body. So again, very simple. I'm just adding basic movement force. I am detecting if I am on the ground. Same with. Well, it's not implemented yet, but once you go in the hoop, you kind of like beat the game, or you earn a point, or move on to the next level. It's like I said, heavy work in progress, many ideas flowing. We'll see where this goes. On to the next game. Project Prototype 3D is a third-person, I wouldn't say shooter, but platformer. Let's just take a look. So you can collect coins. You can shoot in first-person mode. Let me just jump on this platform here. And you will shoot out a bullet. You can also pick up ammo. There are 3 levels to this little project I'm building, and I've been working on this since maybe April. You can download it now and play it if you want to. It is on the Mac and PC. This is a heavy work in progress like anything else. But this one I'm working on a little bit more slower than the others. Only because I feel like this one is going to be the foundation to something I want to build in the future. And just laying down the groundwork now makes it easier, so eventually I want to go back in here and kind of like clean up all the assets and organize the folders and stuff like that. So now you can't interact with things with physics, but you can jump on stuff, and basically the only way to move objects is to shoot at them. As you can see there. Like I said, there are 3 levels implemented, and let's just go to this little workbench here. So here's another level. And if we just get that out the way, you can go up the stairs. Whoa. The camera is basically just a Cinemachine, and I have it set to follow with my custom parameters. There's nothing fancy going on there. Same with the first-person mode. Kind of wanted to like make a little platformer because I don't know, I thought it'd be fun, something different, like a little collectathon, Mario-esque, Spiral-esque, or, you know, Crash Bandicoot-inspired type situation. Definitely want to add enemies in the future. I definitely want to fix the skybox as well, so there are many little small adjustments I want to make. Let's just get out of here. And cool. Finally, this is our last level. So get that out the way. Hey, I need to get through. Okay. Cool. I just want to show you, like, what this level's like. This level could definitely be fleshed out a little bit more or tweaked. Maybe made more compact. Not really sure at the moment, but there's definitely potential if I just take my time and organize things here. It's like this area here, I don't think that's too user-friendly. Like, if someone just runs up there, they're just going to fall through. I don't think that's fair. So that's something that needs to be looked into. But I also want users to get the sensation of exploring. I mean, obviously, if you go down there, that's the end goal. But hey, what's going on if I go over there? Is there more ammo? Am I running out of ammo? Stuff like that. Can I collect more coins? What are the coins used for? There's a lot of questions here that aren't answered just yet. And this is the home screen, where you can currently select any of the 3 levels. Trying to find... So this is the original demo level for this situation here. As you can see, I had everything enclosed, and pretty much every object that I wanted to work on was built in here. almost like a little testing ground, if you will. This game has gone through heavy changes throughout the months too. So in the beginning, I did have DualSense 5 controller support, but I removed it just to focus on a keyboard and mouse. Let's actually run this little level here, so you can get an idea of like what's missing down there. Let's see. So you see how the platform doesn't move with me? That was one of those early bugs I had to fix. And, I mean, my solution works, but it probably isn't the most ideal. You can just... oh, I have no ammo. I don't think I added any more ammo boxes. I can quickly fix that. I do have prefabs as well, like on stuff I can just quickly drag and drop if I need it. Add a few boxes there. But as you can see, this was pretty much the prototype level. And then I started working on level 1, 2, and 3. I mean, like I said, it's pretty basic. I'm having fun building it. You can download it, like I said. You can download it now. It's available on Windows and Mac. Heavy work in progress, but some things just take time. Anyways, with that being said, I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time.